Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Jaipur location. It is from Rajasthan. Let us discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for marketing and social media assistant position from Gulmohar Lane. So it is located in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Coming to requirements, you should be having hands-on experience in content management, and you should be having excellent copywriting skills and ability to deliver creative content such as text, image and video, and you should be having solid knowledge of SEO, keyword research and Google Analytics, and knowledge of online marketing channels, familiarity with web design, and also excellent communication skills, flair for taping the pulse market and social media calendar planning, analytical and multitasking skills, and also digital marketing certificate or equivalent diploma. So these are the requirements to apply for this position. So interested candidates, you can check here with all the requirements, and if you want to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is careers@gulmoharlane.com. Next one, there is a job opening for assistant warehouse manager position from Gulmohar Lane. So it is located in Jaipur, Rajasthan. So official website link is provided here for about this job opening. If you see here, responsibilities and duties, or all control of inward and outwards of materials, and verification of quantity of materials and speeds received at stores with delivery challenge and purchase order, verification of documents received along with the consignment, arrange inspection of materials and speeds by the inventor or quality assurance department, and unloading and stacking of materials and speeds are proper locations with the material identification tags, and also documentation of inward materials like material receipt notes for accepted materials, documentation of rejected materials and other outward items, and you need to maintain the stock of material without any variance by conducting stock verification and identification, documentation, receipts, issues, accounting and monitoring the inventory of the raw materials, and you should be having minimum 2 years of experience required in the same domain, and you need to prepare detailed reports on inventory operations, stock levels and also adjustments, and accounting of material in tally and busy. So at last, accountants proficient in materials management may also apply for this assistant warehouse manager position. So, for more detailed information, if you have any queries, you can visit in the official website link provided here. And if you want to apply for this position, then you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is careers@gulmoharlane.com. GULMOHARLANE.com. Next one, there is a job opening for product design head from the same company located in Jaipur, Rajasthan. So coming to responsibilities and duties, you need to participate in the full design process from user research, concept creation, interaction design and visual design, and you need to create product samples, design to execution and manning methods around the execution, design and lifestyle trend analysis, focus on timely delivery of courses while working with a team of product designers, and facilitate design thinking workshop with key stakeholders to envision a new design, and bringing this vision to life through storyboard samples and high fidelity designs, and timely disclosure of self through and designing reports with a tangible goal set. So these are the responsibilities. If you see here, other detailed information are provided. You should be having minimum 5 years of experience in product design, and you should be having knowledge and in creative problem solving, not just having the ability to find problems but to be a solutionist and present multiple options. Next, you must be self-motivated to priorities and manage workload and meet critical project milestones and deadlines. And you must have a portfolio with examples of designs for furniture and or home decor related offerings. And you must be having a degree. So these are the qualification details. Related degree is a must for this position. So interested candidates, if you want to know other detailed information, you can refer in the official website link provided here, that is www.gulmoharlane.com, that is gulmoharlane.com. Or if you want to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is careers@gulmoharlane.com. From there is a job opening for photographer and image editor position from the same company. So if you see here job description, you should be having proven professional shooting experience and striking portfolio, and you should be proficient with the traditional and modern equipment, and you should be having knowledge of Photoshop, Lightroom and other photography software, and shooting, lighting and printing skills are required. Competency in applying photographic best practices and techniques, and knowledge of production process for online publishing, and also photography degree or diploma from a reputed institute is required, and you should be having 2 to 3 years of job experience, and photography portfolio and links of published works to be shared with resume. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, if you are suitable to apply, then you can send your resume to the provided mail id, and for more detailed information you can visit in the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for home decor product stylist position from Gulmohar Lane organization. So if you see here, an eye for visual composition and proportion, and the ability to meet deadlines, an excellent work ethic and can-do attitude, an exceptional eye for detail, and a positive, proactive and assertive approach is required, and the candidate should be initiative, idea generation and problem solving skills are also required, and you should be having strong communication skills and the ability to work both autonomously and collaboratively in a team. Organization, team management, and project management skills are required, and the ability to multitask, general knowledge of photography and lighting, the ability to deliver exceptional customer service, and experience of using social media, IT literacy, and including the ability to use InDesign, Photoshop, Capture One, and Microsoft Flair, and individuality, and must be a graduate in Bachelor of Design, Fashion, Communication and Styling, and freshers are eligible to apply for this home decor product stylist position. So if they have an eye for aesthetics and details with good portfolio. So these are the job details. So please go through with the information provided here. If you are willing to work for this, so if you are suitable to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is careers@gulmoharlane.com. Next one, there is a job opening for a senior graphic designer position from the same organization. So in this video, most of the jobs are from the same organization, Gulmohar. So you can check with the each and job vacancy provided in the video, and you can also check with all the details provided. In this senior graphic designer position, if you see here responsibilities and duties, so many responsibilities are provided here. Please go through with the information, and you should be having 2 to 3 years of experience to apply for this position. So if you are willing to apply for this position, after checking with all the responsibilities and duties, you can send your resume to the provided mail id, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for furniture designer position from the same organization, Gulmohar. So for this position, you should be having work experience as a furniture designer position, and also you should be having 3 to 5 years of experience with prominent work showcased in portfolio, good communication skills, and you should be creative and practical ability skills, and you should be having knowledge of quality parameters, and you should be having knowledge of MS Office. So so many qualification details, and all the detailed information is provided here. So you please go through with the information provided here, and after checking with all the information, uh, if you are suitable to apply, then you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is careers@gulmoharlin.com. Next one, there is a job opening for interior consultant sales from the same organization. So for this position, if you see here, you must be having color balancing skills and commitment to client services and excellent communication skills, good problem solving skills, and also knowledge of styles and trends. So these are the skills and qualification details. You can also check with the responsibilities and the duties provided here. So for more detailed information, you can visit in the official website link provided here, that is www.gulmoharlane.com. And if you are suitable to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is careers@gulmoharlane.com. Next one, there is a job opening for product designer position from the same organization. So you can check here with the key responsibilities regarding this job opening. And for more detailed information, you can visit in the official website link provided here. And if you are suitable to apply, you can send your resume to the provided mail id. Next one, there is a job opening for process executive position from Infosys BPM Limited, located in Jaipur. So for this position, education qualification will be graduation, and you should be having 0 to 1 years of experience. So fresher candidates are also eligible to apply for this position, and you should be having analytical skills and also communication skills. So you please go through with the information provided here. So if you want to know more detailed information about this process executive position, you can refer in the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.